This morning me and Brad went hunting and went to a place that he's got permission on. He killed a bird at before, but we got in there well before daylight. It was in a field, trying to make up our mind whether to go down into the timber or stay on the edge of that field. And real early, it was probably 5:58, we heard a gobble down in the timber, so we crossed over that fence for that pasture and just got a short ways in there and realized that he wasn't too far off. He might have been 150 yards or so off. That first setup, we were facing west, looking across the food plot. And there's a trail, went down in the woods. The woods themselves were pretty thick. I didn't think birds would be moving through it very well, if at all. There was a couple of different trails that zigzags through there, and I'm not familiar with the place. I'd never seen it before. Bird finally does fly down. It goes quiet for a little while. I called, didn't get a response, so we're just hanging tight and we're staring, where that trail is going to come out into the plot. So while we're facing west, haven't heard him for a while. He gobbles on his own, and he's to our right, to the north. And can't tell if he's on the edge of that field or in that field. There's another little trail that comes south from there, thinking he might take it. So we get turned around, but we were set up for him to come from a different direction, and I'm not liking where we're set up for where he is now. I'm so tempted to move. I'm so tempted to move farther back that way. I just don't know if we're going to have a good spot.